Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm going to show you guys how to access your agency settings or your studio settings, depending which plan you're on, and sort of give you a rundown of what each setting does. So we're in our agency settings down here, and it will say studio if you're in the studio plan. How it will work is that you basically have your own workspaces as well as your own master workspace. In your own sub workspaces, you can create new workspaces. So you can create if you have a new client, you'd stay as plumber, for example. I've already got plumber, but plumber Melbourne. You'd create that new workspace. After that, you can actually edit specific aspects of it. So we're going to go in the plumber one, and you can edit any specific part of it. So that could be the branding. So you can choose the colors, logos, the favicon, which appears at the top left of, let's say, the Chrome tab, the light mode, if you want that default as a light mode for your client, and any sort of colors that they prefer as well. You can also give them specific company names as well as spending limits, and also update your login page. So when someone signs into the platform, they obviously need to go into a login page, and you can configure that login page too. You can also change the background as well. In members, this is where you can invite your client to join this sub workspace so they can see specific aspects of the portal, they can see the call history. We obviously recommend not to give access to the call flows area, but you can give access to everywhere else, and you can create specific roles that you'd like to give them yourself, and then invite their email to the account where they can sign up and log into that portal. You can also build them directly onto the platform, so you can either use your master workspace so that each time they spend on a call, you will be billed as well because it's coming through your Stripe account, or you can allow them to enter their own wallet as well, so they can enter their own Stripe details or card details as well. On the agency plan, you can do a custom markup minute, so you can set a specific minute rate that you would like, whether that be 50 cents, $1 per minute. It's completely up to you on the agency plan. On wallet sharing as well, you share between your wallet, so all the workspaces will be able to use your wallet, or you can give specific options for your wallet. In settings as well, we don't really need to focus too much on that, but you can either show the owner's email to the client, or whether you want to keep that off, that's completely up to you. And this will disable the white label option as well. After you guys have had a look at the sub workspaces settings, you've obviously got your master workspace settings as well. So this is where you can connect your own Stripe account, and then your master workspace will be billed if you do wallet sharing. It is a bit to read, so I will want to go through this a bit slower. So on the agency page, you can go to any workspace billing page and open Stripe settings. You can then turn on custom billing and set the per minute rate that you'd like to charge, as I mentioned before, and that will be based on if you use the master wallet. So we will take a portion of how the custom minute is, and then obviously we charge 9 cents per minute at the moment. And if you charge at 18 cents, you'll profit the 9 cents. We will take the other 9 cents. In terms of agency branding as well, you can edit your master workspace branding here. So ignore the photo, but I've just chosen a random logo. The favicon, you can see the logo is here. You can also change the exact same settings of what your master workspace looks like. Overall, that's pretty much it of the agency settings. There's a lot more, and I'll go through them in the next few videos. Thanks, guys.